Good morning, kids. Today we will learn EVS. Our topic is animals and their help. Kids, do you know how do animals help us? There are some animals that we give them food and shelter. Same way, animals also serve us in many ways. Okay? Kids, everyone take EVS book and go to page number 14. Animals and their help. Match the animals to their help. What is this, kids? Yes, this is a hen. Hen gives us eggs. Hen gives us eggs. So, join this. Okay? And what is this? Yes, this is a cow. Cow gives us milk. Everyone say with me. Cow gives us milk. So, match this. And what is this? This is a horse. Horse, pull the cart. Horse, pull the cart. Understood? Join this. Okay, children? And what is this? This is a sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool. And match this. Okay? Understood, children? Thank you.